How to create others. Tap Proppy logo. In the Add a Business, tap the Others icon. Tick the merchant agreement that admit with the terms and conditions. Tap Start My Business. Fill up all the basic business information. Insert company name. Insert short business description. Set GPS location. Or tap on the map. Click on the pin location. Make dropped pins more accurate. Confirm the pin location by tap the Set GPS location. Insert mobile number. Select Natural of Business. Insert email, website, Facebook, Instagram or WeChat if have. Tap Save Business. Scrolling down to complete the second part. Fill up the business description. Insert contact person. Fill in the GPS location 2 and 3 if have branches. Adding hashtag was an easiest and quickest way let user discover and search your business. Insert operational hours. Take note, refer a Proppy ID must under introduce a Proppy ID. Tap Add Photos. Select which photo to upload from the photo gallery. Fill up completed, tap Save Business. To view the listing, which you have helped others to insert, scrolling up and tap Merchants. In this page, you can view all the listing. Every merchant in the list is locked down under your Proppy ID for 30 days. Countdown timer will show on each merchant. It also shows the Introduce a Proppy ID. Each merchant activate the business, it will reward 100 Proppy gems. Once completed, activate the business by merchant. It will automatically become basic package in Proppycares.